Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix CHKDSK Access Denied error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply go to your taskbar and exit from Vanguard if it is running. Once you exit the program, try to run the CHKDSK command and see if this solves the issue or not. However, if it doesn't, then search for installed apps and open it. Once here, search for Riot Vanguard and simply uninstall it. However, if this also does not work, then search for Riot Client and uninstall it, and do the same for Valorant. Once you uninstall both of them, simply close the settings window and restart your computer once. After restart, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type the CHKDSK utility and this time you won't get the error further. However, if this is still not working, then search for msconfig and open system configuration. Then go to the boot tab, select save boot, click on apply OK and then click on restart. Once your PC boots into safe mode, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now run the CHKDSK utility and this time you won't get the error. Once done, search for msconfig again, click on system configuration, go to boot tab, uncheck the save boot option, click on apply OK and then restart. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.